What is the process to retrieve a lost UK driving license number?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a particularly important topic: how to retrieve a lost UK driving license number. Losing your driving license can be a stressful situation, but don't worry, we've got you covered with this straightforward guide.
Is it necessary to retrieve my license number?
First and foremost, it's important to understand why you need to retrieve your license number. Your UK driving license number is unique to you, and it's often required for various processes, such as hiring a car, checking your license details, or even confirming your identity in certain scenarios. Without your license number, these activities can become extremely challenging, so retrieving it if it's lost becomes paramount.
Can I find my license number online?
Next, we'll address a frequently asked question: can I find my UK driving license number online? Unfortunately, the answer is no. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency, DVLA, doesn't provide an online service to recover your driving license number due to privacy and security reasons. You will need to contact them directly if you need help in retrieving your lost license number.
How do I contact the DVLA?
So, how do you contact the DVLA? You might ask. The DVLA can be contacted by phone or by mail. The DVLA customer service phone number is 0300 790 6801. Be prepared to answer some security questions to confirm your identity when you call. If you'd prefer to contact them by mail, their address is DVLA, Swansea, SA67JL, UK. Remember to include relevant details about your identity and situation in your letter.
What do I do while I wait?
While you're waiting for the DVLA to respond, it's a good idea to apply for a replacement driving license. You can do this online via the official DVLA website. There will be a small fee for the replacement, but it means you'll have a new license sent to you with your license number included. So, there you have it. While it may seem stressful when you lose your UK driving license number, knowing the right steps to take can help alleviate that stress. Remember, it's important to contact the DVLA directly and consider applying for a replacement license in the meantime. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck in retrieving your license number. Stay safe and happy driving!